Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Welcome to August, the last month of the summer. It's hard to believe this summer's gone so quickly. Thought I'd start off with the biggest loser last month, and the biggest loser last month was crude oil. This is the September contract, and you can see I've left our monthly trade triangles in here just to give you an idea of where things start, but it's just been an extraordinary month in terms of the sense that we've had a huge down in just a relatively short period of time. I think we're down about 21% last month in this particular market. There's very little to say that this market's going to turn around anytime soon. The only potential clue we have right now is the fact that we have some sort of a divergence. Sort of, if you just draw this like that, it's going up and this is going down. That's the only possible clue, but everything else is minus 90, strong downtrend. No reason to step in front of this and try and pick a bottom. Next market we have is gold, and gold was down 6.7% for the month right here. And you can see it's really stayed below this parabolic line since it broke the line way back here on the December 1st of 2011. That really was a big trend change. This is a good trend change indicated by the way parabolic, and also some of the other indicators we use, which is the RSI. If you haven't taken a little look at the video we did on the RSI, you may want to check it out. It's below this post. So anyway, that's the market. There's no reason to get excited about this market anytime soon. I think we're going to see $1,000. That's our target on the downside, at least for the time being, and there's no indication it's going to turn around anytime soon. So much to the dismay of the gold bugs. This is the euro. The euro is pretty much flat for the year. For the month, down 1.4%. Not very much, but you can see it's really been, in the last 6 months, it's really been very tight. And there's nothing to say that we will do anything but go sideways, but I think the odds certainly favor it going down. Right now you should be out of the market. Now we're looking at the Dow. You can see the Dow really had a very flat month. This is a long-term chart going back all the way to 2007, so it's a long-term chart, and you can see it's minus 85. The trend is down according to this, even though we closed up last month on the Dow of 0.40%, and it really is still over the 50 line, so it hasn't really turned back down yet, even though we have a monthly in there, and it's a minus 85. But generally speaking, the trend is on the negative, and you can see really for the last certainly all through the summer so far, and for the most part for the year, the market's stayed remarkably flat. It hasn't really moved anywhere. This is the S&P 500, which actually had a better performance. That was up 2% for the month. You can see that blue month. This is a long-term chart going back to the lows that was seen in the first quarter of 2009. This is an old bull market. We're in the 6 or 7 year in this bull market, and it's really becoming somewhat tired. Not to say the trend has changed, but it's somewhat tired. And I think the one thing you want to notice here, we have a conflict between our monthly and weekly trade triangles, indicating a plus 60 score, indicating a trading range. A little bit different picture on the Nasdaq. Is plus 90 strong trend. Obviously we've got a new high close, monthly high close last month on the Nasdaq, which was up 2.8%, putting in a very good performance for the month. A lot of strong stocks, Google of course, many others in that whole array of stocks, including Netflix. So anyway, the trend is clearly up. August is going to be a very interesting month. We want to be on top of it for you and show you all the things we're looking at. Remember, you have some very cool tools with Market Club. You have our trade triangles, of course, right here, and our smart scan. And of course, you can always put alerts in to tell you when something happens. If you want to learn more about markets, go to Trade School. And then we have options, which is a new feature we're very proud of. The blog, of course, you can always tell us what you're thinking about the markets on the blog. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Have a great trading day, and let's have a very good August together.